What's going on, y'all? So this is a quick one today. So for those that didn't know, there is a new Isochain out. This new Isochain is here to fix the problems that the old one had, which was just the loading ring. And to be honest, it was something I was never, like, I was upset about it, but I wasn't like angry. I wasn't angry because just like with any new product, you know, the first one might have some kinks in it. So like everybody that's gonna buy the first version of the PS5 is gonna have some kinks in it. I think that people buying the first wave of the first gen of that, I mean, I would hope that they would know that. That's why I'm not buying the first gen of the PS5. But that is a different conversation for a different video. Oh, what's this? Yo, what's oh, I got new snap hooks and stuff. Oh wow, okay. Something else in there too. Oh, okay. Is that it? Is that? Oh, okay. Well, there's a little bit more to this video than I thought there was gonna be, so I'll be learning along with you. Open this. Oh man. Okay. I already see it. The stronger loading ring that they put on the bottom of it. I see. Now, will you look at that? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, how about we look at it instead of just saying it, right? So, see this little part right here? That stops the loading ring from getting warped. That just changed everything. Look at the difference. So this is the Isochain 1.0. And if you can see here, all right, when you put a lot of forces on it and it starts to move, like even now, I don't know if you can really see that. You see it moving a little bit right there? That's because I've been using it for a while, and usually when I do the rows or anything super heavy duty, it moves it slightly, but those moves slightly over time start to warp it little bit by little bit by little bit, but those little bits add up, okay? So that's why some of them snapped, but they have solved this issue with the Isochain 2.0. So the interface is still the same. All right, the interface is still the same. This one actually looks a little lighter. If you can see that, it's like a light gray. It is like a darker gray / black. So I'm gonna turn it on in a second, but I mean, I'm sure that it's still the same deal. But if you turn them around, that is the loading ring difference right there. I mean, look at that. Solid. That is not going anywhere. Now I can finally rip into this thing with every ounce of strength that I have. Every ounce of strength. That is awesome. Look at it. That solid little base right there, that's not going anywhere. That is not going anywhere. Kudos to you guys at Dragon Door for this Isochain 2.0. I am super pumped. Yeah, man, let's do it. This is gonna be awesome. This is the one that I'm gonna have my clients on too, so that way I don't have to worry about it. And this will just be a backup, I guess. But nothing wrong with it, really. It's just, this is just so super solid. Now we just don't have to worry about dumb fluke stuff happening anymore. So yeah, look at that. Awesome. It seems a little more zoomed in, which is nice. So yeah, this is a good one. This is a nice improvement, Dragon Door. Thank you so much. And now, I mean, it's game time now. Now the fun really begins. Not that it didn't before, but now that we really don't have to worry about any fluke warping happening, it is game on, my friends. It is game on. Let's get it going. See you on the next one. Peace.